netegenda kola nengo omuntu fana ali eyo yawulidde nti date nga musanvu March Cindy aliwo kali lugogo. So in the process of them talking about me not advertising, they actually advertise the show mukujivumirira ne ebintu bire basigala nga bajogira but also nalanga but salanga nga buli omu bwe yali amanyi ekibiri stand abantu baba aligambya kati anonyeza stand kati ataddewo ekyani mpaka wentukenda abantu no at least musajja mwesige situation njimanye eri stable ndio kenjanjule mu bantu
si tukumanye ngo omukozi w'essente atambula ekiro we anti omwami tatambula
kubanza ogende we kiba kitegeza ani awasi.
Cindy Sanyu Cindy has money. Aina sent. Tachegu ya sent.
Obviously.
She has money.
She has money.
Besides music, Cindy akola chechilala.
I don't know. It's money.
I think I know banga know some other business because having money, music, I don't think Cindy music we amwa sentence mala. Zaina, yeah?
And I know live band. But they investing more music.
That
besides
is
music,
I know
live band.
We are sigala music.
Yes. Nenga just like ngawa wa muyimbi nga in studio. The studio yingiza live band. Live band.
I mean, oyino kubango ine business away from music. Boba ne live band usigala oli mu music. Boba ne studio usigala oli mu music. That is music.
Nange sijumani.
Okay, that's it for you. Cyberbullying. We go to cyberbullying. We talk about that. Cyberbullying.
Cyberbullying or cyber harassment.
Cyber harassment.
Yeah, actually, it has been trending on Twitter. We have seen Shiraga Shumba, no Mchara, Adakora Scoop on Scoop. In fact, it has been suspended by UCC.
That show.
That show on the other TV. It has been suspended. Cyberbullying or cyber harassment. Kwekozesa social media platforms zaffe our Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook nebirala ngo oli ku negative side oba either celebrity or a political leader or what. So tikiri nnyo mu bavubuka just abasinga bagala likes abasinga tebalina content gwe bateekayo they see pages zikola ki ziri down. So Shiraga Shumba and God's brand, the husband, birthday ne bachi hashtagging nga bachirwanirira, and I would say they have defeated bachiwangudde because abayimbi banji bavuddeyo bazali baani bonna they have been victims nenga tebasobola kola ki kirwanirira. But this time bataddewo embeera ne baraga nti it has to stop. Era ba presenters nafa bakola ku TV ne ku radio twatiddemu this time. I want to play this clip of MC Ibra akora wolokoso je yakoze ku Lydia Jasmine ne yena bintu naye muyimbi I mean naye muntu MC Ibra akora wolokoso no MC Ibra akora wolokoso
he has an online channel.
He's
a blogger actually.
He's a blogger.
Ne wabawo nafa abasajja n'ogenda okwana omuwala kubanga ekyoyo kikulinnye kati this is teba machinga ntunulira fikfamaika nkusinga obukulu amukonkushiwa kati nze olaba Jasmine sisobola mugambayo kagambo kati olwo muto wange ogamba ki Jasmine oyinza obbanga nawe either nkusinga obukulu bwemba sikusinga bukulu onsingira ddala wala kati kamuzaala omwana ng'omwana talina bwongo abaana b'abadongo nga ku badongo bombi kuliko atategeera kiba kibi bannange teri kisinga kubeera kibi nga kuzaala mwana ng'omusajja oba omusajja tategeera oba omukazi nga tategeera abo bosanga nga basumbuwa abantu ku social media commenting ebitakwatagana baba bakola ku mirimu basumbuwa ensi kati Jasmine nobwa Jasmine bo if you can't dare express yourself even in the least minimum time of around 5 to 7 minutes ogenda zaala mwana ki waliwo abantu nga you're going to be exempted from producing ngenda creating akakiiko ngende a register of companies to registering a company exempting abantu abamu obutazaala nga toyina kuzaala reason being nti twewala okubeera ne generation eddako ng'erimu omuntu alowooza nga ggwe oba tuli ffenna.
ndowooza ebigambo mubiwulidde bannange.
I think this time MC Ibra yagenda too personal.
Yeah, exactly.
He went too personal. Mukusoka na supporting mukusoka at the first. I was like side here. I was like niggas never picking up bulungi. What was this about? Now I'm telling you, Ibra against too personal. Era okwetunda kwa Ibra me I'm okay with it. Kwa ukona never kasuku n'abalala. Ibra okwetunda yakoze bulungi. That was very good you did. Wakoze kintu ekituufu because you went too personal. Kuno kabadde ngo okuvuma oba okujerega. Okitegera bash. Yabadde nga ajerega. That was very bad. Very bad. Tetuganye abayimbi batwetaaga ngaba presenters. Neba presenters. N'abayimbi batubetaaga ngaba presenters. Buli omu yetaaga munne like buli side twetaaga abayimbi batwetaaga because we media people we build artists.
Yes.
To a building from the beginning. You get.
Actually, this is what Lydia Jasmine said. In fact, yamusonyiye Ibra nga amaze okwetonda. Lydia Jasmine said nti singa yayogera ku music issues najerega it would be fine. But when you go beyond noyingizamu abazadde noyingizamu abaana you know it was totally
that was totally wrong.
Yeah, totally
very wrong. Okisegera. So I think Ibra tuina at times bwe tuina ebintu byetwogerako ngaba abantu abali mu media.
Yes.
Omanyi omuntu kati Ibra bwayogera bwatyo aba yononera ground ali eno okitegeera.
Exactly change.
Tonona this community tuli mu fenga aba media.
Yes, and that guys
and I think we need to connect with the artists.
Ogayo yo wamanyi Ibra wamanyi azimbye channel ye Worokoso Extra.
I know he's one of the bloggers abasinga
okufuna sente nyingi. Ibra
wamanyi
agrona twina obuzivu nti abayimbi tulema okwawula wakati wa omuyimbi influencer ne blogger. Blogger ye muntu postinga just because of likes oba yagala follow oba kuvuma mama we oba funye bifananyi bya girlfriend we star abantu asobola okufuna ba followers oba comments. He will just post ntikati ogenda olaba abayimbi abamu they are off topic tebakyalina bya postinga babera ku social media bapostinga buli kyebalabye bya
bafuka ba comedian
okitege
ngojjeko Samba Soldiers in studio apostinga bya studio apostinga music so abala bali mu birala ato okusingako
nti so TV personalities and fena bali mu media content we twate tumuyina there are a lot of things we can do.
Chiwe mu break just give it a break.
Yeah,
okitegeera
exactly,
give it a break. Jasmine atugamba chao. I can see some list there.
Ane?
Jasmine, that list there.
Yeah, it was in fact yasonye Lydia Jasmine. Yeah. Yasonye Lydia Jasmine.
So coach remember like some two lines.
Lydia Jasmine yasonye MC Ibra. This is what he said. Naye agambye okusonyiwa kibeera okay naye tekijja kuva ku mutima ngeri gyayogera ku baana okutegera n'abingizamu.
Kisigalawo.
Yes, kisigalawo.
That was very bad.
Yes.
I think you do some music DJ but we come back in a few. Twina Hank Flavors, Kid Titan. Those are my boys from way back. My beautiful boys, Hank Flavors. To premiering their video last time, and they are to premiere the video. We have Nina Rose. Nina Rose Neowali. So where is the people of Nina Rose? Twina Queen Jojo. She's one of the good artists I know. Abavayo, the ladies, yeah. She's good, and actually, I love video.
She's going to premiere it, for the first time,
For the first time, Queen Jojo. What is the visual by Nina Rose Shua events? We're gonna be asking these questions straight to these artists here. We do some music. Growing up, MC is my name.
Yeah, Ian, but I'm less informed about it. You will ask my management.
You have to know about this lady.
Nina Rose. Right now, at management, mulimu gwachi. Eba mulimu ebekola gwachi yebe ino okubeera ngeri focused on that.
Kino kibiina kikwata muyimbi si management, the artist.
And management is part of the artist. Management is an artist.
Uganda Music Association.
Gwabola Fahad olaba Nina Rose. So whatever he's doing is not doing it for only.
Uganda Music Managers Association.
Okay.
It is Uganda Musician Association.
Then ask me.
Omukyala yakwitinze White Bender takes over. what Janet Chije tusubira maaso about this.
Chovola bamadde ne wala no kyogerako kubanga nze mukyala supporting abachala. I feel like that was that was so unfair. But then again, there is beauty in speaking out, and I want to speak for women that shouldn't lay us down. That shouldn't take us the power. That take away our power. We are stronger. We are wiser than we think, and we should use that opportunity to take something or to do something, you know, different from what she has been doing. I'm in support of her. But anyway, Waiki Bender doesn't mean that Waiki Bender replacing her. It doesn't. It's not going to contribute anything to the Music Association. I believe in him as well, of which I haven't seen what he's ready to do for the association. We are looking forward to it. So we should spread love and see what is someone capable to do for our music.
Do artists really gain Movina Vivina? Do they gain something like anything? Movina Vivina.
I think they do so much for us because bona gamba ngoli muyimbi noga nti nze nyimiriddewo nga nzoba bulimbi kifuula omuyimbi bintu bingi bafani abintu associations ngezo zine entalo zezirwana zetutamanyi I believe bantu bangi so nze respecting it has something that it has for history.
Choyoyo has been a good tune. Tuina Choyoyo list like look behind that screen. Lava screen yo Nina. It has been a topic on this list.
Number 7.
Number 7 now. Tuli ku number 7. Yeah.
Okay.
Tuvude ku number. Yali ku number 10 last week. Now it is number 7. Choyoyo.
Your DJ? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a big team. Yeah?
Thank you so much. I'm so humbled and grateful.
So I think the team, those are 12 team here in Rose. They're doing a good work.
I want to thank Rosebuds. I want to thank Show Entertainment. Man. Thank you.
That's pretty good, yeah. Plan chiche tuzakonga show events oba nina Rose bichi byazako masa abantu basubire kimu nina Rose. I think this year is a dead year musically. It's a dead year already.
To you. To me, it ended dead year, man. If it wasn't a dead year, I wouldn't be releasing music.
Now, what are the next plans?
Fabana very strong mukatonda tugamba it's not a dead year. It's actually the best.
Tugenda kwekaza nina Rose.
Ulira nti nze bino siyogera nze kumpana nze muyimbi atayogera kumpana oba ku because I'm here. I use every opportunity to say what I feel and to say something positive. As a believer in God, I believe this is, to me, this has been a great moment for the world to change, and change is not bad.
True, it is not bad.
Yeah. So there is but the problem is going to be to people who don't want to accept change and still continue, resisting on change. And the more you continue resisting on change, you're really making your hard life, your life to be hard. But there's a lot of music that we are planning for our fans. There's a lot. I'm still in studio, like I told you yesterday. I was in studio. So much. I can't promise them a concert right now because
probably concert next year.
Inshallah.
Sure events bayina buli kimu. Mugenda
why not?
Buli kimu muchina. Next year concert. Eyo stamp tujitaddeko already.
So far so good this year. Twagala kwebaza abawagizi baffe banaye mutuwagidde regardless of the situation.
They've supported.
Man, thank you so much. I'm so humbled and grateful.
Besides music, Nina akola chinga tumaliriza. Nina akola chi besides music. I've seen you in fashion. Maybe something. I
do a lot. I support women. I love. I'm a motivational speaker. I speak to my friends, around.
Like real?
Yeah, and I love writing.
Writing like writing books, music, what?
Writing books.
Okay, you do write books.
So much.
That is good.
I do write.
You read a lot. You love reading.
I teach myself a lot. I'm a learner. Most of the time, I'm learning one thing or the other.
Okay.
Yeah, and I want to say everyone that is watching, never stop learning. Bulidala kwotuka manya demands something.
Obaka banaloze eri pasta yiga. Tuizo bulira.
Naye kwali.
Kwali alaba apedeza ka message.
Obaka mutumiddeko nnyo webale kulembera abantu mu Katonda. Era nga twagala kumwebaza kusabira gwanga lyaffe n'abantu kuba abantu abamu basabira bambi abamu bawagizi baffe. So thank you so much.
Ensonga za
corona bannange corona akyaliyo
abamu twamwerabira bafaye ndongo bagidda mu club
ensonga za corona kazirekere gavumenti zabawagizi bange sisobola balimba corona gwe simanyi. But thank you so much for loving me and supporting me, supporting show events. We love you and stay blessed.
Febusi smells rapper, yeah? Kafefa katono. Sinaba mulaba mu batto ya Gravity ne General. Sinaba mulaba mu batto eyo. Apostinga jeyo atiddemu ko ku misinde. Omanyi Gravity atwazo ino bango oli mutwazi. Okisegera. Ali mu nsobi. Bona bali mu nsobi. General is a legend. Okisegera. Gravity mwana yakajja. See, okay. Yakajja kati. He has been there, but tali legend ngoli. Okisegera. There is no respect, yeah? Somewhere, somehow. Ne General, abada ino okubako respect jawo no mwana anti mupya. General inakulwana n'abantu nga ba said Nelson, yeah? Said Nelson muto. Nelson. Kweli? Okay, he is key maker in ebisumuluzo bye. One key maker webisumuluzo. Ogera tubulira kulinnyiro baba. Title no gambo otya. DHH.
Yeah, man.
Walipa soja.
Media call.
Nga tuli awo tutuuka akaalako kategedde.
Seba.
Tuwa kalo kafaako. Abantu be omanyi ntera okunyumya ne manager wa Nina Rose, mumutegeera fadi.
Yes sir.
Yangamba omanyi obuzibu abantu baffe balina obuzibu bumu. They don't appreciate. Teba appreciating waka w'abantu baabwe. You get. Tuli bangi tulina biniganta. Tuli bangi, yeah? Tuina show events yona team yona ngabwe ya show events.
Yes sir.
Tuina maker, tuinaze, tuina Titan, tuina Coffee, wa Dax Katero. Banji the whole team. Ne lwaki abiwaffe teba appreciating ekyo lwaki babulamu ki kyekibulamu kyo tunabakola
oba tebakkiriza
oba kyobola revenue yadduka yali wa education nadduka n'agamba kave Uganda okisegeera nenga muli mutya Titan
tuli fine
soko buze ku bantu
abampuliriza n'abandaba mwina mbalamusizza let me hope you're all fine. Yeah, my name I'm called Titan. Yeah.
Wanyem Titan nagamba va mu luzungu baba tujja tomera meka buza ku bantu
luzungu lweno
soja meka buza ku bantu baba
nanga abanda mwenna ze bampita kimeka akasajja kananyini bisulumuzo
ebisumuluzo bingi ku batu buli wamu bisumuluzo chichi lwaki meka lwaki kimeka
just njagala nange kola brand yange nganze
twali ku shemu yali concert ya ndaba meka n'ebisumuluzo ligamba blood chichi ebisumuluzo mu nviri buli wamu kumba nnyo ebisumuluzo
obusumuluzo omwana gw'okubeerangamu
branding
yes
kati eno pini ya ddala oba just kisumuluzo
pini mwana legend nti nze asala ebisumuluzo nagyesalira n'embeeramu
osala ebisumuluzo mbamanyiko mu kya fashion muli nnyo mu fashion okusinga gwe waliwo Hank Flavors aliwo Hank Flavors
kwali alaba kati
kwali Hank Flavors naye ali nnyo mu fashion that is very good. What do you do behind like besides music kicho okola kirala? I know make akola fashion
nze ntunga ngoye
na oli mu fashion
yeah
the all clue muli mu fashion Ready Coffee
Ready Coffee naye wati
ali mu fashion
muzei
kampiseo kano kitalo nnyo kya mukadde by the way. We are premiering a video called Mumerica. The song is trending by the way. Akaimba kano chenka agadde konti mwaka kole ebusabala wa Bobby Wine.
Yes sir.
Ebusabala mu time ya COVID. Mu COVID ono.
Yes,
how did you access the beach? Mwagenda yo moti ebusabala mu COVID.
Era twazoganyaawo omuntu ne batufatirawo ekisobolo yitawo era.
That is good. I never supporting like your music. Who supports your music?
Right now tetunafuna manager
we supporting tujja mungu ine tuza music mungu ye mu music
ba freezer oba kimpulo
freezer promoter yeah
bakato mwana je baliye abato mwana batufa
temwiza kwera Dax Katero
tetusola mwera biramuze
Dax Katero
omusajja
ababeredde onyo the whole team Dax Katero
yes sir
that is very good yeah let's premiere the video bash yeah the video is ready Mumerica video. Okay, kaite premiere the video bro. Musoke mutu mwaka pera katono then tukube video eno.
Anti ulira bwe yamugamba. byagana abalala byagana DJ Bashi yakiriza mama w'abana azalire n'abaana
kayimba kalunzi
Alex.
ani awandisa
Del Magic.
Del Magic
Atenga ye producer.
is a producer era ye muwandisa alinga bbawa ne munne sijja byogera ani
Queen Jojo oyimba ngani?
Nyimbangazi.
No, I mean which artist inspires you?
Juliana.
Who?
Juliana.
Juliana.
oyina kyobuuza kirala oyaba Jack of course beautiful sounds tuzza kayimba kyawo kekapya eziri mabega ziri tulinawo nga bbiri
akasooka ku cover je nakola ya
John Black the cover you did I know that cover twaka playing away some like last week the cover is a beautiful one. How do you access the covers? Lwaki badokola covers like Joey Landa? We have so many of them. Abadde bakola covers.
Cover ni naye mu ya John Black kale kyansikiriza mwagala nnyo John Black ayo.
Mwagala nnyo John Black.
Yeah, ate oluyimba nalufiiringa.
Okay.
Yani ngamba ngenda kola.
Wano mba kusubira kola covers z'abayimbi nga balina mu biruba Juliana Kanyomozi, but you go ogenda ku nyimba za John Black ezire bit hard. You know, I know strong voice. No jada okola vocals with that very voice it is strong no jikakanya. You know, okay, it means eba talent because atasobola chikola then obato ina talent chikola. You get? But it's pretty good, yeah? Okay, ebisembayo eri abantu tukutejojo.
Ebisembayo abantu bebale kunjagala.
Okay.
Fire nkutumirako.
Fire moto.
Bana yembagala nnyo.
Fire bazunga nnyo ne kamiri.
Team Queen Jojo manyi kwe muli mulaba mbagala nnyo kushi Brandon mwenna bagala nnyo banaye mwebale kumbeererawo mwebale kundagala banaye abantu
fashion by who ono bamwita Henry Fashion ani akwambaza
Queen Jojo makeup Queen Jojo
okay
yeah
okay still now bigambo some be like platforms za social media
akaviri by Mama Mickey wali kawala
okay
achikwasaganya